Let's take a closer look at the project panel located here on the left side. This panel displays the complete structure of your project, including all the files and folders that make up your website. Right-clicking on any element brings up a context menu with many useful operations. For example, select index.html and choose Duplicate. Let's name this new file about .html. Now we have a brand new page added to our project. It is often much easier to duplicate an existing page rather than starting from scratch. You can now go ahead and customize this content to turn it into the About page for your website. You can also click on the project panel title to access the project menu. Here you can choose between Add New Page or Create New File. Use Add New Page when you want to create HTML documents using the built-in templates provided by Pinegrow. On the other hand, Create New File creates a blank file of any type. For instance, let's use it to create a new style sheet named Hero Us. To link this style sheet to your page, simply drag the file from the project panel and drop it directly onto the page view. Now you can use the Style panel to implement the styling rules inside your new Hero CSS file. If you have a Netlify account, you can publish your static websites directly from within Pinegrow. Netlify offers a very generous free plan that allows you to host many projects on custom domains at no cost. The process is very straightforward. Let's enter a site name, for example, Test Pine Poems. Click Publish to start the deployment. Pinegrow only uploads files that have changed, so while the first deploy takes a moment, subsequent updates will be much faster. And just like that, the page is published. As you can see, getting your site online doesn't get much easier than this. However, you are not limited to using Netlify with Pinegrow. Your projects are simply standard static HTML websites stored locally on your computer. This means you have the freedom to host them with any provider you prefer. When you are ready to close the project, you have a couple of options. You could use the Project menu or the Main File menu to select Close Project. But my favorite method is to simply go up to the Pinegrow logo in the top left corner. Clicking this icon acts as a shortcut to close the current project and return to the dashboard.